This might be the something else. Something crazy. Japanese nostalgic car show. It's been a long time since we've done a car show, so we're going to show you guys what's up in Houston. All these beautiful classic Japanese cars, from Skylines to Datsuns to MR2s, Mitsubis, RX-7, Nissan Sentras, old Corollas, A86, FRS. Got some FRSs. I mean, you got a lot of variety here, a lot of really nice cars, a lot of well-tuned cars too. So we're going to show you guys what's going down in Houston for the Japanese nostalgic car show. Enjoy. Got one J swap. That RX-7. Those meats. Big turbo rotary. Business in the back. Very nice. Here we have a Nissan Primera. It's known in the States as an Infiniti G20. This thing is gorgeous though. Central Alex.
No joda. Basically before price. No joda.
It's got a cool suit, ice tank, modified track car, yeah?
I couldn't imagine how much fun that would be.
Check it out.
Mostly just aesthetics. It's stock turbos. Got a turbo kit and a turbo at home.
Now we got Datsun 510 trucks. Hard bodies.
Yeah, ethanol and low pressure. Yes, it is a Subaru. Shit from power. Yeah. I mean, it's
rare, man.
These are rare.
So SPX?
Yep.
No, 400 kilowatts is over 500.
They only sold these in automatic.
Kilowatts are 75.
I did something about that.
5-speed swapping?
6-speed swap.
6-speed. Damn. Nice. From what? This SPX?
It's from a 2016 WRX.
Nice, dude. That's awesome, man.
Thanks.
Someone's got on the highway.
That's all. I was just a premium.
10th anniversary RX-7 wider body panel.
Race car here. It's might be the thumbnail car. Something crazy. Here we have Brian O'Connor pulling up to the show. Midnight Purple 300ZX. Gorgeous. Wish the sunlight would cooperate to show this color off, but this car is in the shade, so you can't really see it that well. And they're off.
Quick change of plans. The taco tent is taking way too long, so we're gonna go over here and get a burger because screw waiting for 20 minutes for tacos. Not cool.
You want?
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'm gonna do a burger.
Oh, what?
Burger?
Classic burger?
Yeah.
Everything on that's okay?
No. Let's just do lettuce, cheese, and JR. That's it.
We have no lettuce right now. So just the cheese and mayo is okay?
Oh man. Do you have barbecue sauce by any chance?
No, we don't have any barbecue sauce.
I'm gonna pass.
Paseo.
There's a throwback to my throwback to you Initial D fans out there. It's my beauty back here. You saw it too? I love this color. It's nice. It's a cruise? Wow. Slam cruise. Hey!
What's good, dude? How you doing? a logo I haven't seen yet.
That's a nice color blue right there. That looks really good, especially in the sunlight in this angle. Look at that. That's a red car. Now that stands out.
Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's Japanese nostalgic car meet. It's been a lot of fun. Saw a lot of awesome cars. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. So as these awesome cars behind us roll in making noise, we're gonna close this video out. Remember to go out there, do something awesome, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.